everyone. I'm Amira, the lawyer blogger behind aselfgrew.com, and I'm so thrilled to have Shiho with me today as our guest that I'm about to interview. She is an entrepreneur from Japan, and she's purchased my VIP legal bundle. So let's find out what she has to say about those legal templates. So, hi, Shiho. Tell us about yourself and where are you located?
Hi, I'm located in Tokyo, Japan, and I've been a therapist and a healer for about 10 years. And currently I'm running online session for women who wants to unleash their potential and let go of their limitations.
Wonderful. It's
Thank
so,
you.
yeah, your work is so helpful. Like, how did you find out about me?
Yes, so I found out about you through Create and Go. I've always had my own website, but I was looking for a way to implement blogs into my website to have a little bit more traffic to my website and new people to get to know me. And through Create and Go, I think you were conducting one of the classes inside of the Create and Go about blogging and law. And I found the course really, really interesting, informative. So I went to your website immediately and I looked into all the different templates and bundles. And I wasn't very sure what to get at first. So I actually contacted you first. And we had a really nice coaching call for like half an hour. And I had a few questions I wanted to ask, and you answered all my questions like in 20 minutes, and I was really happy. So afterwards, I got off the call with you, and then I got my VIP bundle.
Yeah, I remember. I remember the call and I was so excited to chat with you because it's always like really nice to meet people around the world. And I think you were my very first person that I actually chatted with from Japan. So it was really cool to learn about your business and kind of help you out with my blogging and some legal tips. So I know you purchased the VIP legal bundle, and those of you that are watching, if you don't know about that bundle, that's like my really premium, high quality bundle that comes with 16 legal templates and 16 amazing bonuses. So if you haven't checked it out, you should absolutely check it out because it's a steal. And Shiho, I want to know, like, why did you decide to get that bundle?
Yes, when I spoke with you, you told me exactly what I needed. And I could have gone with a different bundle, but I realized that maybe I would need all of them or some of them in the future. So I just thought that maybe it's nice to get everything. And as long as I have everything, I will be able to implement it in the future. So I thought it might be more useful.
Yeah, absolutely. Because even if you just used like three or four or five of those templates out of the 16, I'm sure you've already got your money worth, right? Because
Yeah.
because it's will cost you way more to purchase individually all those templates instead of the discounted bundle. So, did you purchase like any other templates from me as well?
Yeah, I think I got the copyright template for the ebook.
Right. So
Yeah.
the copyright template that she was referring to, it's basically a template that you use for the legal language in your book. So if you have an ebook or a physical copy, you would put like a copyright notice page in there, and you would also put like a disclaimer in your book to protect you for the content that's published in the book. So I see that you purchased that as well. So are you using that, or are you going to use that template?
Yeah, I haven't written my book yet, but I'm planning to write something, either something that I attach to my website or something small or big, I'm not sure. But I thought maybe that would give me like a boost to write my own book in the future. But I am using the bonus content that you gave me. That's like 100 words that you should use for the titles and things like that.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's a really useful tool to have when you're even writing a blog, what words are good to use and things like that. So that's been already quite helpful.
Yeah, no, I'm so glad to hear that. Because, yeah, those marketing words, right? Like those powerful
Yeah.
words that successful entrepreneurs use. So, yeah, that's included as a bonus in my template. So tell us like how did you feel after purchasing the templates? How did they help you with your business?
I felt really, really relieved that I actually spoke to you and you told me what I needed to do exactly for my website. I had a different type of templates in the past where I actually bought them and they were legitimate, but there was nobody I can talk to ask questions about what do I really need, or do I need more, do I need less. So being able to speak to you was really, really helpful. And the templates I got looks really amazing. So I was really happy to implement them on my website right away.
So I'm so glad that you took advantage of our call. Like, if those of you who don't know, I also offer like coaching calls, business calls, legal calls. So if you are like stuck on something and you don't know like what you need or what kind of legal protection you need, or you just need like someone to just talk to about even business, feel free to like go to the work with me page and set up that call like Shiho did, because sometimes you need that clarity. And I know it can be a little confusing with the legal stuff as to what you need and why you need things like that. So about like, let's talk about like free legal templates, because that's a question I ask every single customer of mine whenever they purchase from me. Like, what is the reason that you didn't go with like a free legal template, which you could have easily grabbed?
Well, I kind of know myself well enough that I wasn't gonna be good at finding a legal template or trying to write my own. I knew that none of those things I have a, qualification for. So I never really thought about it. But even for the paid version, I was using from a different company where they're legitimate, but like I was saying earlier, there was nobody I can talk to. So I was always kind of wondering, do I need more, or what else do I need? What can I do if in this situation or that situation? So that part, it really takes care of it. That your blog and your website has a lot of information also. So it's been very, very helpful just to go to your website sometimes and look at what kind of things people need, and just for the future references and stuff. So that's been really helpful. But I've never tried to go for the free route because I know myself that I'm really not good at that kind of stuff.
No, and that's so smart, and I'm so proud of you, because that just shows that you know how much your business means to you and you're willing to
Yeah,
invest in the right stuff to protect it. So I'm very happy to hear that. Now,
thank you.
absolutely. Now, what will you say to someone in the end that's looking to purchase these templates but maybe isn't sure?
Oh, yeah. Well, of course, I can only speak for myself, but when I found out about you, the way you were explaining things and your website and everything just looked like full of information, and you're so available. Every time I contact you, you immediately get back to me, you or your assistant. And you have a Facebook group that a lot of people ask questions, so I can always look for more, content or questions through there. So those kind of thing I've never really found in other services that provide similar things that you do. They may sell templates, but I don't know who wrote it, and I can never speak to the person who wrote it. And you also offer like upgrading services where if law requires more things for bloggers to add, you're always on top of it. So that really gives me a relief as well. So all those like packages that like has everything in it, I've never really found anyone who offers that services. So I'm very happy and grateful that I found you and your bundles.